Hello friends, welcome back to Indian Cars 360, the channel where we talk about the latest and upcoming cars in India in simple and honest words. If you are excited about electric SUVs and want to know what the future of Mahindra looks like, then today's video is going to be very special for you. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's start today's detailed story. Today we are talking about the 2026 Mahindra XEV7e, a premium electric SUV that is expected to change the electric vehicle game in India. Mahindra has already shown its strong vision for electric mobility, and the XEV7e is one of the most awaited electric SUVs from the brand. This car is expected to sit above many current electric SUVs and directly target buyers who want power, space, technology, and long driving range in one package. Let's start with the design, because this is the first thing that grabs attention. The Mahindra XEV7e is expected to follow Mahindra's new electric design language, which looks bold, futuristic, and muscular at the same time. From the front, you can expect a closed grille design with sharp LED DRLs that run across the width, giving it a very premium and modern look. The headlamps are likely to be sleek and positioned lower, making the SUV look wide and aggressive. The bumper design will be strong, with aerodynamic elements to improve efficiency. From the side profile, the XEV7e is expected to look big and imposing. Flush door handles, large alloy wheels with aero inserts, and strong character lines will make it stand out on the road. Being a family-oriented electric SUV, the wheelbase is expected to be long, which means more cabin space. At the rear, connected LED tail lamps, a sporty spoiler, and a clean electric-style tailgate will complete the futuristic look. Overall, the design of the XEV7e will clearly show that this is not just another SUV, but a next-generation electric vehicle. Now let's talk about the interior, where Mahindra is expected to make a big statement. The cabin of the 2026 Mahindra XEV7e is likely to feel very premium and tech-loaded. You can expect a large dual-screen setup, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. The dashboard design will be minimalistic yet modern, with soft-touch materials and ambient lighting to enhance the premium feel. The steering wheel may come with a flat-bottom design and illuminated Mahindra logo, adding to the futuristic vibe. Seating comfort will be one of the highlights of this SUV. The XEV7e is expected to offer a spacious cabin with excellent legroom and headroom, especially for rear passengers. Depending on the final version, Mahindra may offer both 5-seater and 7-seater options, making it a perfect choice for families. Ventilated seats, powered front seats, and premium upholstery are also expected, especially in higher variants. When it comes to features, the 2026 Mahindra XEV7e is expected to be loaded with everything you can imagine in a modern electric SUV. A large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a premium sound system, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, connected car technology, and multi-zone climate control are likely to be part of the package. Mahindra is also expected to offer advanced voice commands and AI-based features to make the driving experience smarter and more convenient. Safety will be a strong focus area for Mahindra, and the XEV7e is expected to score high here. You can expect multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and a strong body structure. In addition to this, advanced driver assistance systems are likely to be offered. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera can make the XEV7e one of the safest electric SUVs in its segment. Now let's come to the most important part of any electric car, performance and range. The Mahindra XEV7e is expected to be built on a dedicated electric platform, which means better weight distribution and improved efficiency. Mahindra is likely to offer a powerful electric motor setup with instant torque, making acceleration quick and smooth. This SUV is expected to feel very refined and silent on the road, which is one of the biggest advantages of electric vehicles. In terms of battery and range, the XEV7e is expected to come with a large battery pack that can deliver a real-world range of around 450 to 500 km on a single charge. This makes it suitable not only for city use, but also for long highway trips. Fast charging support will be a big plus, allowing the battery to charge up to 80% in a short time using DC fast chargers. Home charging options will also be available, making daily charging convenient. Driving modes are also expected to be part of the package. Different modes like Eco, Normal, and Sport can allow drivers to choose between maximum range or maximum performance depending on their needs. Regenerative braking levels may also be adjustable, helping to improve efficiency and extend driving range. Now let's talk about the expected price and launch timeline. The 2026 Mahindra XEV7e is expected to be positioned as a premium electric SUV, so the price is likely to be on the higher side. We can expect a starting price somewhere around the mid to high range of the electric SUV segment, depending on the battery size and features offered. Mahindra is expected to launch this SUV in 2026, and it will directly compete with other premium electric SUVs in the Indian market. To sum it up, the 2026 Mahindra XEV7e looks like a very promising electric SUV that combines bold design, premium interiors, advanced features, strong safety, and impressive electric range. It is clearly aimed at buyers who want a future-ready SUV without compromising on space, comfort, and performance. Mahindra's strong brand value and growing EV ecosystem make the XEV7e even more interesting. So friends, this was our detailed look at the upcoming 2026 Mahindra XEV7e. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indian Cars 360. Tell us in the comments what you think about this electric SUV and whether you would consider buying it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more exciting car updates.